Make sure. It's that shit, bro. Like, shit tastes.
Get this picture. Man, he just side eye.
Come joke.
Damn, somebody hit me on my ass. Got him eye burgers. Hell no. My ass. That's how they track them. That's their tracking devices. Ain't for real plantation. Yeah.
Oh my god, I just got that more.
Motherfucker racist.
He blacker than me. Ooh, that shit felt disgusting.
With their horns? I want to give me a pet goat, bro.
Y'all want to walk in here now?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. It's my first time. The black one.
What up? You good? Hey. Hey, gang. Back your ass up. Some lamb chops.
The head button.
Okay. Oh, God.
Man.
That nigga walked up to
He said he's standing on business.
Look at their eyes.
Man, what if he just jumped? Man,
Look at what she coming.
stepping, huh? I bet you gonna sit your ass down. Motherfucker gonna uppercut somebody's ass.
Oh,
Just
this
a
one.
party jump off the.
This motherfucker love me, cuz I don't know what you're talking about. Look at him, boy. Oh, God. Look at her.
Man,
She like, yeah. She said, bro, be so bored, nigga. She said, where you come from? This my goat. This Allie.
dang, that one's sleep. My bad, gang. You was sleep. I didn't disrupt his peace. Alright, we're gonna see if one come by me. You eating? You chilling? I think you was the one that bit me.
You know how much shit we stepping in?
I'm saying, I feel it.
My nigga,
Look at that.
damn.
Oh my God, you did. Man,
One of these niggas got a little pebbles on their ass.
man.
They coming.
Hey,
they
gang.
coming.
Hey, gang.
They coming. They see your shit, they be like, yeah, boy, this nigga got
Say,
that
nigga, what
shit.
flavor is that?
Oh,
Cardi, you just did a cartwheel and all boo boo. Go on your hand.
that just snapped at me. It just hit me.
Which one, the black one?
No, that one over there. That's it. That. Well, my hand.
Damn, something bit me on my ass. Damn, nibbled my ass a little bit. God damn.
I got some hard ass pictures though, cuz that shit right here was kind of a little filthy though, I ain't gonna lie.
He had bit the shit out my ass cheek. God damn.
Hey, cuz.
Hey, I'm finna be like them bull motherfuckers. Talking about something.
Wait.
Hold on. Yeah.
Look at it. You see how that shit just falling out that ass, boy? I'm like, what?
Nigga walking and shitting at the same time.
Walking this shit. I seen one walking and scratching this shit at the same time.
Remind me of them days on Grant's Farm. Who was the president? He said, go on, nigga, feed my goat, nigga.
Y'all for real, cuz.
Damn. Hey, it's one that's a bully. That one right here, they just push that one down. That must.
These niggas trying to get on me. I gotta watch out for my nuts.
Man.
Somebody.
Yeah.
It's my bottle.
I don't think they got teeth. It just tongue.
No, they
But
don't.
this one just got tongue.
This one just the baby
They
dad.
tried to give a hickey on my lip. I said lip. Hold on. I meant finger.
Ooh,
This one keep biting me, bro.
No, he got teeth, cuz. Don't worry, he got teeth. That nigga put his whole hand in my mouth.
What? This the one that got pushed off the thing.
Damn, bro.
Go over there. You go beat his ass. Yeah, hey, listen. You see him over there? Look, he getting pets. Them supposed to be your pets, and he just pushed you off. I know, but you gotta go stand on business, nephew. Come here, gang. You ain't got. Yo, they got hands.
Niggas are birds.
Well, like arms, wings, whatever the fuck them is. Damn. This one trying to be slick. Look at his face. That nigga mewing.
I'm just about to say, boy.
Motherfucker jump like Jordan. Nah, gang, get your ass back. Hell no. Real chick. Damn, look at the feet on that motherfucker.
Yeah, brother, man. They done died on me. Yeah, you want some rubs too?
Hella nappy. This shit feel like mine.
Yeah, you want some rubs too, don't you? I got you. Yeah, love. Look at them udders.
Look at them nuts.
Them fucking idiots. Udders.
No. What this music make you want to do?
One of these.
Nah, gang. For real. When he said, when I saw her face, I'm a believer.
I believe.
That look like that's where we at right now.
We fucked.
Sorry, Mom. I'm about to try beer. Two samples.
One each time.
Mango.
One at a time. Drink one and come back.
Okay.
You want a mango?
Yeah, I'll take a mango. I'm gonna try that Golden Road next time.
I got me an ultra. Stuff that's like.
Oh, you ain't even click them. Hold on. Ding.
I have to make sure. Taste that shit, bro. How this shit taste?
Yeah. This ain't bad. Am I a beer drinker? That's fucking disgusting. But I'm gonna finish this because this was free.
You said it's nasty?
Nah, I say I'm a beer drinker. That's fucking disgusting.
It's nothing disgusting. That's free.
That's what I told her.
I know you fucking lying.
It pissed on you? It did piss on you. Hey, let me take a picture. Hold on. Hey, get the stick, look. Get the stick. Oh, shit. That's crazy.
It's like I'm a bird master of this bitch.
Come on, gang. Come on. That boy licking the sweat off me.
Hey, gang.
Yeah.
Hey, gang.
We got them birds. We got them birds. Oh, it's still so nasty.
Hey, you gotta show your back for hell.
Oh my God. How many on me? It feel like 3.
It's 2 of them. It's 2 of them.
It looks like you want a hickey. Now get this picture of all of them. Like the Jackson 5. Hey.
Jesus.
Bird shit. Man, I know some people that'll freak the fuck out in here. Like I'm talking about, man. He peeing on you? Ah. It just feel like little pinches. It kind of tickles. It's a word, gang. Damn, look at the teeth on that mug. Look. Hey, Henry. Damn, he just side-eyed me.
Come Joe. Joe, my boy. Hey, somebody come feed my boy Joe. Come feed Joe. Joe.
Yeah, look like he got a hearing aid in that shit.
Joey hungry. See, bro, niggas will never be out nowhere touching real life animals, bro.
Niggas be scared, scary as a motherfucker.
Come here, my boy. Let me get some of that. You don't go in.
Yeah.
Let me get some of that.
Yeah, let me get one.
Yeah. Put no one in my hand. Damn, he wants some too.
Yeah. That was good, gang. See, his fur like, damn, boy, I can feel his skull and his shit.
Yeah, boy.
Boy, if he headbutts something, it's gonna be crucial.
These niggas headbutt something to be something crucial.
Dang, that's the word, gang.
Yeah, boy.
Like it's so crazy to touch shit like this, like nigga.
I mean, like when you just be in the city or in places,
Shit like this is crazy.
Put your hand in there. You know what I'm saying? It's like going to a farm, damn near, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, bro? Like I love going to farms, bro. Don't get me wrong, farms is one of my favorite things to go to.
Don't pet them, but you can feed them, but just don't pet them. Did it hiss at you yet? Yeah, back y'all scary ass up. Did you feed the cow looking thing? He's like, he a freak. His ass
Before you forget, don't forget to
breathed on y'all. Yeah, let him sit.
Pull out. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Ain't too much. It ain't too much.
Get that right, baby girl.
Like gang, I ain't got no more food, but I rub your
Here
head.
you go, here you go, cuz. I got a little something for you, cuz. I got a little something.
I come in this bitch with my own ice cream
You know what I'm
cones.
saying, bro? I come in this bitch with my own ice cream for you. Here you go, a little something, cuz. On God, a little something. There we go. On God. Ain't gonna, on God. We just gonna make it something we ain't even do nothing over here. Hold on, my boy Joe wants something.